Hello class, my name is Jason Brown and this is my presentation on Nfpa 1600 and how it's shaping emergency management. Nfpa stands for National Fire Protection Association. It is a non-for-profit independent organization that was founded in 1896. However, don't let the name fool you when it says National and Fire, because it's an international organization that deals with more than just fire. It deals with all types of disasters. It consists of 80,000 members in more than 100 nations. The mission for this organization is to reduce the burden of fire and other hazards by providing consensus codes, standards, research, training, and education. They have a committee whose job it is to develop documents for preparation, response, and recovery to disasters from natural, technological, or human events. The 36 members come from US, Canada, and all over the world. Nfpa 1600 was first published in 1995. It was deemed a recommended approach to disaster management. When the second edition came out in 2000, it was changed from a recommendation to a standard. They also changed the language from should to shall, and it also encompassed a total program approach. The 2004 edition, the American National Standard Institution was asked to evaluate the private sector preparedness on behalf of the 9/11 Commission, and as a result of their findings, they recommended to the 9/11 Commission that they should use the practices in the Nfpa 1600 as a national standard. In the 2007 edition, the committee expanded the phases to identify both prevention and mitigation. In 2010, they put more of an emphasis on leadership and commitment. In 2013, they became certified in anti-terrorism technology, and they were also approved and adopted by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Nfpa 1600 is made up of 300 consensus codes and standards. It is essentially your roadmap for dealing with disasters. It gives you a common terminology to use, it gives you the definition of the terminologies, and it gives you the plans and practices put in place ahead of time so that everyone involved knows what is expected and which direction to go next. When it comes to business continuity, the Nfpa is partnered with large corporations like the ones seen here in an effort to promote preparation based on the Nfpa 1600 standards. Large corporations are not the only ones who need a plan in place in case of disaster. Schools such as Florida State University and other government agencies such as the Homeland Security have also based their disaster preparedness plans on the Nfpa 1600. The impact of social media cannot be overlooked by the Nfpa when it comes to getting their word out there. They have 3 Facebook pages with 67,000 fans. They have 40,000 Twitter followers, 700 videos posted to YouTube, and 56,000 LinkedIn followers. You can access any of this info at the Nfpa website. They also have apps for smartphones and a free PDF download. They do offer for cost on-site training and book copies of this Nfpa 1600. In conclusion, the Nfpa 1600 is shaping emergency management today because it is an easy to use, well laid out, standardized disaster plan that can be used by both private and public sectors.